Mina the Goat and Tuffy the Donkey, a story of friendship, courage, and hard work. At the edge of a big green forest stood a tiny hut made of leaves and sticks. That was home to Mina the Goat. She didn't have much, no good food, no strong roof, only her hard work and hope. Her best friend was Tuffy the Donkey, who carried wood and grass every day. One rainy night, water started leaking from their roof. "Mina, the rain is coming inside," said Tuffy. "Oh, Tuffy, I wish we had a strong house. The lion must be warm in his cave, and the elephant safe under a big tree. But poor animals like us have nowhere to go," Mina sighed. The rain fell harder. They sat together in a corner, shivering. When morning came, the rain had stopped, but everything was wet. Hungry and tired, Mina and Tuffy went into the forest to find food. As they walked, a clever fox came near. "Why so sad, friends?" she asked. "We have no strong home," said Mina, "and we are hungry." The fox smiled. "There's a cave under a big tree. Clean it, and you can stay there." Mina and Tuffy were happy but careful. When they reached the cave, they saw wild dogs inside. "Go away! This is our home!" they barked. Mina and Tuffy sadly walked back. That's when they met a wise old tortoise. "Why so sad, children?" he asked. "Our hut broke in the rain and no one helps us," Tuffy said. The tortoise smiled kindly. "Then build your own strong hut. Use the wood and stones near the river. You can do it." So, even in the rain, Mina and Tuffy started working. They carried wood, stones, and leaves. "It's hard, Tuffy," said Mina. "Yes," he said. "But if we don't work now, we'll always depend on others." By morning, they built the frame of a new hut. It wasn't perfect, but it gave them hope. The wolf's trick. That night, a big gray wolf came out of the dark. Well, what do we have here?" he growled. "Please, Mr. Wolf, don't hurt us," said Mina. The wolf laughed. "I won't eat you, if you bring me the sweetest fruits from the forest. If not, tonight you'll be my dinner." Scared, they went into the storm, picked fruits, and brought them back. "Nice fruits," said the wolf, "but I think I want meat too." Just then, Grandpa Tortoise appeared. "Stop, Wolf!" he shouted. "These poor friends have worked hard. Don't harm them. Scaring the weak doesn't make you strong." The wolf growled but ran away. Mina and Tuffy were safe. "Thank you, Grandpa," they said. "Remember," said the tortoise, "real strength comes from courage and friendship." The Great Forest Battle. The next day, Mina and Tuffy finished their hut. It was stronger and brighter. The other animals came to help. Rabbits brought leaves, parrots brought twigs, and monkeys tied the roof together. That night, a black crow knocked on their door. "Open up, I'm a friend," he said. "The wolf is coming back with wild dogs and hyenas to destroy your hut." "Oh no," cried Mina. "Don't worry," said the crow. "Gather your friends. Together you can fight." So Mina and Tuffy called all the animals for a meeting. "My friends," said Tuffy, "this isn't just our fight. If we lose, the wolf will attack others next. Let's protect our forest together." The elephant raised his trunk. "We'll fight together." The parrot said, "I'll watch from the sky." The rabbit said, "We'll guard from the bushes." That night, the storm came again. The wolf and his gang attacked. "Come out, Mina and Tuffy," they howled. But the forest was ready. The elephant blocked the path. Monkeys threw vines from the trees. Rabbits and squirrels made loud noises to scare them. Tuffy kicked a hyena away, and Mina pushed a wild dog with her horns. At last, the wolf realized he was losing. "How can a goat and a donkey defeat us?" he shouted. "Because they are not alone," cawed the crow. "The whole forest stands with them." The wolf and his gang ran away. A new beginning. The rain stopped, and the forest filled with cheers. The peacock danced, the parrot sang, and the elephant trumpeted with joy. "Mina, we did it," said Tuffy. "Yes, Tuffy," Mina smiled. "We are poor, but not weak. Friendship and hard work make us strong." Grandpa Tortoise came and said proudly, "Children, you've shown the forest that unity brings victory. Never forget, when hearts are brave and friends stand together, no storm can defeat you." From that day, Mina the Goat and Tuffy the Donkey became heroes of the forest. Their hut became a home of hope for everyone. Rain was no longer a fear, it was a celebration. And so every animal remembered their story. With friendship, courage, and hard work, even the biggest storm becomes small.